Established in 2013, Chengdu LST Science and Technology Company Limited is a specialized manufacturer of chocolate-making machinery. It is a private partnership entrepreneur specialized in manufacturing PC molds, silicon molds, steel molds, and all kind of middle-high class of chocolate equipment, such as chocolate depositing machine, chocolate enrubbing machine, oatmeal chocolate molding machine, gummy depositing machine, gummy molding line, etc. We have professional R&D team and specialized equipments. Strict quality control is performed in every procedure from material sourcing, processing and testing to packing. Our company always follows the principle that service lays the foundation of business and quality wins the market. After more than 10 years of production, operation, and exploration, LST has established its own quality management system and more than 20 patents. LST has always implemented the concept of creating value for customers, tailor-made products to meet different customer needs, and continue to provide customers with solutions and technical problems. Further explore and innovate, keep improving. Our chocolate equipments have been popular in the food industry, and the products produced by our equipment are also in the forefront of the candy industry. Except the domestic market, our equipment has been widely sold to Europe, Asia, North America, South America, Africa, and Oceania. We pride ourselves on offering customized solutions. Our team of experts works closely with clients to understand their unique needs and delivers tailored products and services. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.